What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over at Aerodrome Finance, or AERO, which is up 1.1% at 72 cents. Very small market cap comparative to a lot of coins at 243 million. It does have 332 million out of an infinite max supply. I've always said, do your research on infinite max supply coins. Find out what their unlock period is. Can they just mint an infinite whenever they want, or are they only allowed to mint a certain amount every year or something like that? So do your research on it, not bragging or nagging on anything like that. Ethereum's an infinite max supply coin, and look at that price. All-time high was 10 hours ago, so we hit a new all-time high today. Absolutely insane at 83 cents. We're down 11.8%. All-time low was 5 months ago. Holy cow, I didn't see that. If you would have bought 5 months ago, you'd be retired. You would be retired. Absolutely insane. That is a one, two, three, four, five, 300, no, 3,952x. 3,952x from 5 months ago, from October 7th. Insane. Currently available on the following exchanges: Coinbase, Aerodrome, Base, XT, and then Uniswap. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on Arrow. All right, everybody, let's get into Arrow. This is what we had drawn. I don't know if I drew this during the live stream in the last video, but we had this bullish flag play out perfectly. You have your flagpole right here. You have your flag, which is a symmetrical triangle in which you consolidate in, and then we broke out on the 10th. Now, normally when you break out of a bull flag like this, you go the length of the flagpole. So if we draw a line at that flagpole and extend it, that brings us right up here to around $3.50. So Aerodrome, I think this next run that we're experiencing is probably going to be topping out around 350 before we see any sort of correction again. Not a straight God candle to 350, something similar to what we experienced right here, where we see a lot more bullish momentum than bearish. Now, obviously, we have some fib resistance areas, the first one being at $1 and the next one being at $1.12, and inevitably that 1618 at 263. Indicators right now on the day chart or 4-hour chart, the MACD is losing this bullish momentum. The RSI is overbought, flashing red, saying, hey, it might be a good time to take some profit. We did get a sell signal on the WTX. So in the meantime, for Arrow, I'd be keeping an eye on the all-time high support right here at around, what was that, 60, your prior all-time high is 67. Normally, when you break above an all-time high, you come back down to it to test it as support to make sure that's a valid breakout. If we do happen to bounce off 67 cents, that prior all-time high that we experienced on the 1st of March, then we're GG. We're good to go. We're good to go on that run. If we do fall back below our prior all-time high, then we're just going to see a little bit of retracement, which if we did see a little bit of retracement, that would bring us probably back down to the 618 here at around 55 cents. And then we'd push. But as of right now, man, this coin is pretty volatile. As you can see, the price keeps fluctuating as we're making the video. So if we break below the prior all-time high price of 67, we're going down to 55, which still would maintain its bullish momentum that it's been in with higher highs and higher lows. So I wouldn't be too worried about that, even if we did break back below our prior high. And then for the bullish momentum, if we bounce off our prior high here at 69, 70 cents, the next stop's going to be $1. And then from there, it's going to be $1.50. And then inevitably, I think that run will bring us up to around $3.50. So all eyes on the prior all-time high support. And with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin within 24 hours. Thank you.